That was weak.
Okay, come on. Warm up, warm up.
You and me.
That's exactly what an alligator sounds like. When it growls at you. Exactly like that. Exactly like that. Oh my god, do it exactly like that.
Let's build it up a little bit. Let's do more frequent. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Big one, big one.
That's exactly what an alligator
Keep going.
I thought my 20s would be different.
Okay, that's enough.
No, I still have a little bit. No, I have to get it out of my belly.
Like a continuous in and out kind of.
No, not quite. I can't do like continuous singing or something like that.
This is my cue to exit.
Stuck in there.
Are you still recording this?
This is the second take.
Do a big one.
I'm trying to get it out.
Do a big one. Do the loudest one you can do.
I got 2 new friends.
I do like so.
You're not my friend anymore.
No,
right into his mouth.
Not real. It's not real. I need to
head up.
Oh. I'm trying to get it all out of me, okay? Once you take it in,
there.
by sucking it in, it's a lot easier to suck it in than to push it out.
That's what they say to me all
I wish there's a Facebook picture thing for video.
Oh, jeez.
I think that's as good as I'm gonna get out. It's gonna feel a little queasy for a while.